This is a final video to fix the CS2 match reconnection error, so you can get back into your game right now. Are you tired of seeing that reconnect button fail every time you click it while your friends are still playing? This annoying problem usually happens because your game files lose their path or your internet stops talking to the server for a split second. Most of the solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and make things feel much harder than they actually are. I have 4 proven methods to solve this today, and I guarantee that at least one of them will fix your game even if the problem feels totally broken. You should pause this video and try these specific methods one by one, or take screenshots of the steps you see so you do not miss anything. Rexish is here to make sure you never lose your rank because of a simple glitch. I will not waste your time with confusing talk, because these 4 secret ways work for everyone who tries them. You can finally stop worrying about match bans or technical errors after you finish this short guide. Please follow the method step by step as they show on the screen.